Though the human rights commissions have contributed immensely to the protection of human rights in India, yet they have failed to assert themselves against the mighty and powerful. Analyzing their structural and practical limitations, suggest remedial measures. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. Human rights commissions at both national and state levels play a vital role in promoting and protecting human rights in India. Despite their significant contributions, their effectiveness is often limited by various structural and practical issues. Body. Limitations of human rights commissions. Lack of autonomy. Human rights commissions depend on the government for funding, staff, and facilities, leading to compromises in their independence and potential biases. Limited jurisdiction. They can only investigate complaints against public servants and cannot address cases involving private individuals or organizations. Delayed appointments. Slow appointment processes for members result in understaffing and prolonged vacancies, hampering their effectiveness. Lack of enforcement powers. Commissions can only make recommendations, lacking the authority to enforce these recommendations or punish violators. Limited awareness. Many people are unaware of the existence and functions of human rights commissions, leading to underutilization. Political interference. The appointment of members often involves political considerations, affecting their impartiality. Remedial measures. Enhance autonomy. Provide separate budgets and control over personnel management to strengthen independence. Expand jurisdiction. Include cases involving private individuals and organizations to broaden their scope. Timely appointments. Ensure prompt appointments of members to fill vacancies and maintain effectiveness. Strengthen enforcement powers. Grant commissions the authority to enforce recommendations and penalize human rights violators. Awareness campaigns. Conduct educational programs to inform the public about the role and powers of human rights commissions. Transparent appointment process. Implement a clear and merit-based process for appointing members to reduce political interference. Conclusion. By implementing these remedial measures, human rights commissions can overcome their limitations and more effectively protect human rights in India.